Here I will show you how to add a label on to a Capri Sun package. Now you can choose to put on your Capri Sun package these labels with a hole punched in the middle on the front. Remove the straw from the juice box and then take it to the side and do the exact step that I'm going to show you. After you put that on there, you would put this back onto the front or onto the side of the package. I like to do it from the back. Why? One, the customer can read what juice they're actually drinking. And two, I don't have to fondle with this straw or have any issues with the straw being touched before it gets to the customer. So let's begin. So first, I will take my labels. My labels are thin, so that requires for you to peel back the backing slightly. It's best if you have nails, but they will always come apart. So I peeled my backing off. And what I like to do is make sure that my juices are flat as they can be. I don't want any creases or dents. So I'll take my label and I will just look towards the top and try to put it right below that line, as neat as possible, okay? Then the next step, I like to put my finger right down the middle to ensure that it is secure. My labels will stick and they will not come off. So please be careful. So you have your package here. And what I like to do is flip it around. And I will turn them. And this is what I do. I slightly press down on my package and I roll and I roll. Lift it up. And there you have a beautifully laid juice label. For more of these tips, feel free to look through the rest of my YouTube channel for more helpful hints for your party. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.